Every February, people across Canada participate in Black History Month events and festivities that honor the legacy of Black people in Canada and their communities. Every year, SLCI hosts an assembly in honor of Black History Month. This year's assembly showcased many beautiful aspects of Black culture, history, and music. We had some amazing special guests who came to perform spoken word poems, beatboxed, and rapped, making this year's assembly educational and engaging for all students and teachers. And finally, the assembly came to a close as our talented John Buchan and SLCI students and teachers performed beautiful musical ensembles on the steel pans and the djembe.
Hi guys, Zainab here. Come with me to the TDSB Know Your Worth Conference 2024. I'm currently at York Kill campus and I'm in the Osgood Law School Hall. The TDSB Know Your Worth Conference 2024, the 8th annual Know Your Worth Conference. It's a conference dedicated to educating and empowering Black students, Black high school students. We learned things about self-advocacy.
Brenda Britton, Director of Talent Acquisition at MLSC, is a leader in human resources with over 15 years experience. With a BA in Sociology from York University, Britton has contributed to various industries, including financial services, telecommunications, government, sports, and entertainment. He's passionate about creating community linkages and supporting women and equity-deserving youth.
Advocacy, coming up with a good business idea, and making profit in business.
Jacques Rousseau is a multidisciplinary expert with a background in philosophy, science, and innovation. He has expertise in economics, investment, and public service with a focus on inclusive innovation and decolonization. He has advised academic institutions, government bodies, and private enterprises, emphasizing diversity, equity, and inclusion. Involved in teaching, research, and mentorship, focusing on digital literacy, public policy, and global health.
I also learned about engineering and making the structure of a building, like making a good foundation for a building.
The engineering workshop was facilitated by 3 students from McMaster University.
Hi guys, so it's lunchtime and they've given us lunch. I have a salad here and jerk chicken. The food was really good, I must say. I enjoyed the salad, I enjoyed the coleslaw. It was a really good coleslaw. We had a public speaking workshop with the TDSB student trustee, Angelica Bell and Edna Nortney. And the workshop was held by them. I learned a lot, like building my LinkedIn profile, creating an elevator pitch about yourself, and yeah, I loved the day. So, and after that, we had a debrief at the end, and that was the day. Opportunity that I recommend for all of you Gluck students, and thanks for coming with me. Bye.